Looking for an affordable classic car or truck? Check out these 11 vintage rides starting at just $1,000. From muscle cars to pickups, these are perfect for restoration or a budget-friendly project. Don't miss out. Watch now. SAR 1, 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado, 1500 Guston, Kentucky. A 1969 Oldsmobile Toronado priced at $1,500 OBO. Runs and drives with a newly installed front end. Features an Oldsmobile 403 engine and most of the electrical components function. Needs body and paint work, but comes with a new headliner, original hubcaps, and dash parts. Clean title included. Two, 1956 Mercury Monterey, $2,000, Keokuk. This 1956 Mercury Monterey is priced at $2,000. The car has some rust underneath but is repairable. It will fire up but needs fuel system and brake work. A solid classic for restoration or trade. 3, 1979 Chevrolet Volt two-door, $1,500 Tex. A 1979 Chevrolet Volt Coupe, priced at $1,500. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title with no major damage. Needs work on the water pump, thermostat, and front end alignment. Four, 1969 Buick Electra 225, $2,000, Stone Mountain, Georgia. A complete 1969 Buick Electra 225 with a 430 V8 and a 4-barrel carburetor, priced at $2,000. It does not currently run, but comes with a parts car that has a better rear end. The seller is willing to assist with delivery. 5. $1962 International Scout 80, $2,800, Cameron, Texas. This 1962 International Scout 80, priced at $2,800, has a solid body with rust in the lower rocker panels. Features a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Was running when parked a few years ago and should run again with some work. Needs a bonded title but comes with a bill of sale. Six, 1976 Chevrolet Camaro, $2,000, Gadsden, Alabama. A 1976 Chevrolet Camaro project car priced at $2,000 OBO. Features a manual transmission and a green exterior. A solid base for restoration or customization. 7, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Roller, $2,000, Burlington, Indiana. A 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Roller with no engine or transmission, priced at $2,000 OBO. The body is in good shape with big block springs, traction bars, and 4.11 gears. Includes all interior components. 8. 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, Asper, Alabama. This 1977 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, priced at $1,000, features a 428 V8 engine. It was running when parked, but needs fuel system work. Floors and quarter panels are solid, but there is rust on the hood and roof pillar. Needs new tires and must be towed. Slot 9. 1966 Ford F-150 regular cab, $1,500, Mary Esther. A 1966 Ford F-150 project truck with great patina, priced at $1,500. Features a 351 V8 engine that turns over but does not currently run, a solid foundation for restoration. Ten. 1976 Ford 4x4 pickup, $1,500, Ponchatoula, Louisiana. A 1976 Ford 4x4 pickup truck priced at $1,500. It features an automatic transmission and what is believed to be a 390 engine. Does not currently run but has potential for a revival. $11. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro, $1,000, Selmer, Tennessee. A rough 1972 Chevrolet Camaro project car priced at $1,000 OBO. It has no engine or transmission but was originally a factory V8 4-speed car. The pedal assembly is still intact, no title available.